Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very basic and easy recipe of brinjal and potato pakode. Let's get started. First step is to peel the potatoes. Well, if you like the peel, if you like to use your potatoes along with the peel, then you can just wash your potatoes well and then slice them directly. Or you can peel them and then slice. You can use a sharp knife or you can use a potato slicer. Drop the potatoes in water. This is regular room temperature water. Keep this aside. Let's slice the brinjal now. So for this recipe you would need 2 medium-sized brinjal. Make thin slices. So here I've got potatoes and brinjal. I've kept them both in water to prevent oxidation. Let's move to the next step. To a bowl add 1 cup gram flour, that is besan, 2 tablespoon rice flour, chawal ka aata, ajwain, red chilli powder, haldi, 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilli, that is hari mirch, fresh chopped coriander, a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. Give it a good mix. Then gradually add water. This water is at room temperature and make a slightly thin batter. Whisk the batter with a whisk or a fork for 5 minutes. Then add some salt as per your taste. Mix well and then set the batter aside, and let's move to the next step. Spread the potato slices on a cotton cloth or you can use a kitchen towel. We are doing this to remove excess moisture from the slices. Just before making the pakoras, add a pinch of soda and mix well. Now coat each potato slice with the batter and drop in hot oil. The flame should not be low, otherwise your pakode, your fritters would turn oily. So keep medium flame. You may increase or decrease the flame because as the oil gets hot, you will have to reduce the flame slightly, so you would have to keep a check on that. Once done, take them out on a sieve so that the excess oil drips off, or you can lay a paper towel and place your pakoras on that. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the potato slices. Now let's move to the brinjal slices. On the same cotton cloth or another one, you can spread these slices. The idea is again here to remove excess moisture from the slices. Dip each slice in the batter and coat it really well with the batter and drop in hot oil. So same thing here, do not fry these at low flame or these would become oily. So keep the flame medium to high. You may have to increase or decrease the flame depending on how hot your oil becomes. If it's too hot, then you would have to lower it a bit. Once done, transfer these to a sieve or a paper towel. Repeat the same steps and fry the rest of the fritters. This is the leftover batter, and 2 to 3 more potatoes or brinjals can be used to make more fritters with this. And here are our fried brinjal and potato pakoras. Sprinkle some chaat masala and serve these right away with ketchup or chutney or Szechuan chutney. Look at the beautiful air pocket. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!